really proud that the Empowering Our Communities team has provided over $1.2 million to local organisations to increase mental health and wellbeing supports for their communities.
This year we've really strengthened and deepened our relationships with the 140 practices in our region. In this changing landscape and through the new PIPQI, we've really empowered them to understand their own population health data, enabling them to drive really important health initiatives in their practice, ultimately leading to improved patient outcomes.
My highlight from this year would have to be the Rethinking Mental Health Conference. The day brought together GPs, allied health professionals and NGOs for a fantastic lineup of nationally renowned speakers.
I'm really proud of our Health Pathways team. We're celebrating 300 live pathways. Our disaster management pathways was timely enough to be taken up statewide. We've been working on mental health and have had 3 clinical working groups to develop these pathways.
My highlight for 2019 has been being involved in assisting to plan and facilitate our mental health and suicide prevention community forums. It's been a real honour and privilege to hear the stories of people and how we might better shape services into the future.
One of my highlights has actually been working on the ENA report, which showcases all of the amazing work that our organisation has achieved. It features on the cover an image of our region taken by one of our own staff members, which I think looks absolutely fantastic.
I'm most proud that we are one of 4 PHNs nationally to be funded to initiate advanced care planning within the general practices in our region.
My highlight this year would be the Breath of Fresh Air campaign, which is an Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander quit smoking campaign. From this campaign, we have seen an increase in the number of calls to Koori Quit Line from people in our region looking to quit smoking.
What's been really great this year has been how our small team has supported our staff in increasing their skills to carry out robust commissioning processes. And this has enabled us to roll out a number of new services which improve the physical and mental health and well-being of our community.
Our healthcare home's highlight for this year has been to work with the 10 practices across the region to enrol 500 patients in this transformational program. We have also had 33 practices involved in the COPD Quality Improvement Program.
The thing I'm most proud of this year has been the rollout of Health Hub across our organisation. We've got over 18 projects that are currently being used, including a community-based survey. We've also supported our Allied Health, GP, Integrating Care and Community Advisory Committee and had really good feedback about the improvements we're making there.
This year we won the Excellence in Innovation Award at the Western Sydney Business Awards for our NDIS support calculator. We also continue to help people to test for the NDIS through our newly commissioned psychosocial support services across the region.
This year's highlight has been working with our passionate team and stakeholders on improving social connections for older people living in Hawkesbury. We had over 100 people attend our community workshops. We trained health connectors, community connectors, and also developed an online directory of services.
2019 has been a wonderful year. We have funded over 150 service providers to support the health of people in our community. We've continued to work with general practitioners and other organisations on exciting health initiatives. And of course, none of this would be possible without the wonderful dedicated staff and our advisors and our board. And we really look forward to continuing this work in 2020.